Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Enterprise, Toronto Pearson Airport. And let's take a look at some of the cars they have available for rent. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. If you like what you're watching, give the video a quick like. Just helps the algorithm on YouTube. And we've got a couple luxuries here for Enterprise. A couple more BMWs, Mercedes, and we got a Jaguar down here. Oh, I like this. It's a different color on this. It's probably an X1 BMW. We got a 3 Series, another of these GLCs. We got a 5-liter Mustang with a stripe on it. Another 3 Series BMW. We got a larger Santa Fe. We got an electric Polestar, just the regular, not the Performance Edition. X3 BMW, and we got a 5-liter Mustang. I think we maybe took a look at this one earlier, but it's got the blackout package and a black spoiler, black roof. And, well, this is interesting. So this one's got the performance pack. I thought most of the white ones had the performance pack, but that one's got that, so that's the Polestar. And then we just get into more of the reserve down here. Chevy Colorado, another 3 Series BMW. Got a Ford Escape. Got another VW. Nissan Maxima. Toyota Camry. And yeah, that one's not for rent. It's probably somebody's car. Actually, some of these might be personal cars. And I got to get out of the way. Somebody's trying to get into returns here. And, oh, it's just a customer returning. And what do we got? Oh. Okay, so we got 2 new Chargers at the end here. Look fairly new, but what is this? Oh, you know what? This Lexus is probably a personal car. Maybe. Yeah, I don't see any barcodes on it. Okay, so we got this Kia coming in here. A bunch of cars in the returns. And got X5. And I was going to help those folks out there, but one of the staff members was able to help them out. Mercedes. Got Dodge Caravan, Hyundai, Pathfinder. Yeah, we got another Silverado pickup truck. BMW. Man, they got lots of luxury cars, lots of luxury SUVs. I know somebody was asking about an Armada. I haven't seen one yet today, but next time I do, I haven't forgotten about you. Oh, here's a Grand Cherokee. And that's got the adaptive cruise. You can see the circle under the license plate, that sphere. Well, I kind of like that all blacked out. Very nice. Ford Escape. Wow, they got lots of Polestars in today. Okay, so let's just wrap around the other side of Enterprise here, and then I think we're going to be able to wrap things up. We got a minivan, Ford Edge, Kia, Hyundai, a couple of Hyundais. This folks taking a Kia here, and I do like these Dodge Chargers. And a Ford Explorer, VW, and Toyota. I always forget the name of those. I do know what it is. Another Explorer. And we got a Durango, a couple Durangos, and a compact Kia sedan. All right, let's just do a little walk around the end here, and I think we'll wrap things up. So some of these are some of the larger SUVs, kind of more reserve. Got an Expedition. Another. They got a lot of Hemi Durangos. Oh, CX on the license plate. That's probably brand new. All right. And we got a Tahoe. Yukon from the U.S., so that car will have to go back to the States. Another Hemi Durango, another Expedition. And got that's kind of a nice blue. Oh, that's kind of like the Rapid Blue. Camry that'll have to go back to the U.S. And let's wrap things up here. This Jeep Wrangler and a Kia. All right, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.